Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. If you're in the market for a countertop ice maker, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for your home or party needs. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is celebrated for its ability to produce soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for cocktails and sodas, while the Sweetcrispy offers a more budget-friendly option with traditional bullet ice. We'll look at their production capacities, noise levels, and cleaning features to help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. The first category we will explore is the type of ice produced by each machine. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker specializes in creating nugget ice, which is known for its chewable texture and is often preferred in cocktails and soft drinks. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which, while functional, lacks the chewability and texture that many ice enthusiasts desire. If you prefer a softer ice that enhances your beverage experience, the EUHOMY is the clear winner in this category. Next, let's compare the production capacities of these two machines. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive daily output of 34 pounds of ice, making it ideal for parties and gatherings where ice demand is high. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of bullet ice per day, which may suffice for smaller households or occasional use, but could fall short during larger events. For those who need a steady supply of ice, the EUHOMY clearly has the advantage. Finally, let's talk about price. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker comes with a premium price tag of $189, reflecting its advanced features and high-quality ice production. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. While the Sweetcrispy offers great value for the price, it's essential to consider whether the lower cost aligns with your ice-making needs. If you prioritize quality and capacity, the EUHOMY may justify the higher investment. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The EUHOMY excels in producing high-quality nugget ice with a larger daily output, making it perfect for those who entertain frequently. Meanwhile, the Sweetcrispy offers a budget-friendly alternative with decent performance for smaller needs. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific ice requirements and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.